to Bobo Science. Today we're making hot ice. Now I'm going to call my assistant.
Hello! I measure 7 grams
Of baking soda.
So you want to put the tray on this scale, just
And then put the baking soda onto the tray.
and then you tear it so it goes to 0, and then you go. There.
Okay, we did this 5 times over, just so you know. This is vinegar, and Amos is going to pour it.
So this is 250 milliliters, and this is 250 milliliters, and we're gonna add them to total up to 500.
Well, that made an awesome sound.
So this is a magnet stirrer, and this is a magnet. Bubba's gonna add it in, and then when you turn it on, it mixes it. If it's all the way up, then it creates a whirlpool. Just mixes it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put in the baking soda.
Can I spin it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So enough. Okay, now we're gonna take it off and okay, so this is basically the same thing as the other thing, except it has heating. So you can stir it and heat it. We're just gonna evaporate most of the water. I'm pretty sure.
Just try and get as much of the fat as possible. It is now starting.
Okay, so we turned off the hot plate. It's not hot right now. And we're gonna pour it into here so it has more surface area so it can heat up easily.
And this will possibly take the magnet with it.
It should.
There we go. Now we shall wait for it to evaporate.
Wait, can we turn it all the way up?
Yeah.